Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you in English class. Today is Thursday, 24th December 2020. How is the weather like today? Today is sunny weather. Okay students, today we will do very interesting topic, that is picture description. Students, do you know picture description means to describe the picture in words. To describe about the picture in your own words. It helps you to expand your vocabulary and boost your fluency. That's why I'm really excited to do that today. And to help you to understand the useful strategy to read the picture in the clear detail. Come on, let's jump into it. So here I will tell you how to describe picture. Here we have a beautiful picture and here we have some helping words. With the help of these words, we will describe the picture. We will talk about the picture. So first of all, look at the picture carefully. This is a picture of a jungle. This is a picture of a jungle. Okay, first of all, we will read the vocabulary words. We will read the helping words. Climbing, animals, trees, giraffe, lion, roaring, monkey, elephant, swimming. Okay, we have helping words here, and with the help of these words, we will make sentences about this picture. Let's start. What is the elephant doing? Elephant is taking bath. Elephant is taking bath. What is hippo doing? Hippo is swimming and he is very happy. Hippo is very happy. What is the monkey doing? Monkey is sitting. What is the lion doing? Lion is standing. What is the parrot doing? Parrot is flying. Okay, what animal else you can see in the picture? There is a giraffe. Giraffe is standing. There is a zebra. How many trees are there? There are 3 trees. What else you can see in the picture? There are some bushes as well. Animals are very happy. So students, have you noticed that we have used these helping words to describe the picture? Okay, now I will show you another picture. So students, do you have this picture? Yes, all of you have this picture at homes. You have to paste it on your English grammar copy. Okay, let's talk about this picture. Here is a helping word, zoo. This is a picture of a zoo. This is a picture of a zoo. Here I have pasted some more helping words for you about this picture. Zoo, children, ice cream shop. Let's make sentences. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is a monkey. What is monkey doing? Here we have a helping word. Monkey is climbing. Monkey is climbing the tree. Okay. Now look at the picture again. What are these? These are children. There are many children. Okay, here we have a helping word, children. Our other helping words are lion, roaring. Okay, now look at the picture. What is the lion doing? Lion is roaring. Here is an ice cream shop. What we will see? We can see an ice cream shop. Okay, what is the hippo doing? Hippo is taking bath. What is the giraffe doing? Giraffe is standing. Elephant is very happy. Okay, students, I hope you understand the topic. You have to make 5 to 6 sentences using these helping words. Now come towards the copy work. Okay, students, mention the date Thursday, 24th December 2020. Topic is picture description. All of you have this picture at home. You have to paste it on the other page and you will write topic. Exercise is describe the given picture. You have to make near about 5 to 6 sentences with the help of given helping words. Do your work neatly and send me the pictures. Thank you.